Alright, welcome to the last 2x2 reconstructions for a while before I go on holiday, and while I'm on holiday I'll be going for 2 competitions as well. But anyways, today I'll be reconstructing a 2.14 average of 5 for you guys. So this is part of the session that I just finished, so yeah, I'm going to be reconstructing now. As usual, scrambles will be in the description if you want to follow along. And without further ado, let's get into the first solve of reconstruction. Alright, for this first solve, I didn't quite manage to one look. But I went for green. I saw these 2 green pieces, and I saw these 2 green pieces here. I didn't manage to one look this, so I just tried to, at the very least, make the green layer and see what came up. So from this angle with the green on top, I saw that I could make a EG1 layer if I did R, U2, R2U, R prime, like this. Of course, that puts the bar in the front, but really executing it lefty from this side would have probably been much slower. I don't know, but yeah, whichever way, that's how I made the EG1 on this solve. And then of course I had to rotate and then Y2, and I got this EG1 case. This is one of the T cases, obviously, where these 2 are the same and these 2 are opposite. For this ALG, I execute it from this angle, and the way I recognize AUF is that this yellow color I know will end up on the right when I'm done, which means that there will be a U prime AUF. So yeah, so U prime AUF. So once more, so from here I did R, U2, R2, U, R prime, Y2 rotation, U2 to set up to the ALG, and then the ALG with a U prime AUF. Yeah, so this solve was a 4.19 second solve. It's the worst solve in the average, and yeah, anything above 3 is pretty bad for me. So yeah, definitely could have been better. I don't know if I could have found a better solution, but yeah, I don't know. If I did yellow, I would have had this. Yeah, I don't see what else I would have really found at that time, but yeah. Yeah, but that's about it for the first solve. So yeah, let's move on to the second solve. Alright, so for the second solve, this is actually a pretty easy solve. I saw this yellow bar here, and I saw these 2 yellow pieces it's just an easy 2-move yellow layer, yellow CLL, like this. And so I saw that these 2 pieces would not move relative to one another, so I saw that you'd actually get a soon case. In fact, this is pure soon, because these 2 are opposite and these 2 are opposite as well. And yeah, AUF for this, I know this red color will end up on the back, so yeah, so AUF for this is a U prime. So yeah, it's a pretty easy solve to one look, so yeah. Anyways, once again, like I said, yellow bar here, these 2 pieces. I see this soon in inspection, so U, R prime, U prime, and then straight into soon with a U prime AUF. And yeah, that's it. That solve was a 1.54, which is the fastest solve in the average, and yeah, it's not bad. So yeah, without so yeah, I think we should I don't think there was any better solution I could have gone for. I think that was pretty much the best one, so yeah. Anyways, let's move on to the third solve now. Alright, so for this third solve, I went with white, yeah. So I saw these two white pieces, and I saw these two white pieces. I saw that I can make an EG1 layer if I did from this angle RU prime, RU, R prime. So the bar will be here. So now I need to rotate this way when I was done with that. And I saw in inspection you get a soon case as well. This is the case where these two are opposite, and this color is the same as, well, this one, the one on the right, relative speaking. So yeah, the way I execute this alg is from this angle, and I know that this color, green, will come to the front when I'm done. So yeah, so U prime AUF. So once more, so on white again, I build a EG1 layer and straight into the EG1 alg. So RU prime, RU, R prime, rotate and do a U at the same time, and then the alg, and then finish off with a U prime AUF. So yeah, I don't know if there were any other better solutions, but I don't really see any better solutions, so I guess you could have done orange if you really wanted to. But whichever way, yeah. So that solve is a 2.42. It's not too bad. It's sub 2.5, so yeah. Anyways, let's move on to the fourth solve. Alright, so for this fourth solve, I did blue. So I saw this blue bar here, and I saw this, again, a 2-move EG1 layer. So yeah, but looking ahead, I saw that if I did this, it would actually give me a PBL case as well. So I was able to one look into that, and yeah. So I saw that I had to rotate this way when I was done with that, and then do the alg. And obviously it's a U AUF. It's pretty easy to tell that's a U AUF actually. So you see these two colors are adjacent to one another, and you see this color here. So you know AUF is going to be U when you're done. Yeah. So once more, the way I executed this was U R prime, rotate. And while I'm rotating, I already start doing the R2, and yeah, finish off with a U. So yeah, there probably were other solutions I could have done. Like I could have done red, which would have given me this case, and yeah, whichever way. That solve was a 2.36, which is again sub 2.5, which is not too bad. For me. So yeah, anyways, let's move on to the last solve. Alright, so for this last solve, it's pretty obvious. This is a three quarters of a CLO layer, and there's a 3-move insert for this piece. Originally I was going to do the insert here from this angle, like this, but I saw that if I get this, I'd have to rotate U2 in order to execute this CLO alg. So what I decided to do instead was kind of a, well, it's technically L prime U prime L, but I push with my index finger. So, or you could say it's a R prime F prime R, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, I saw that if I did it this way, it would set me up into this CLL case pretty easily. So yeah, so I did that thing, and then this case where these two are the same and these two are opposites is just the normal T case algorithm. So I know this corner is the corner you take reference from when you do this alg, and I know that because this needs to go here, the AUF will be a U. So straight away into that alg, and then a U, AUF. So once again, easy 3-move insert into a T case. So L prime, U prime, L, and then cancel straight into the alg and finish off with a U. Yeah, I think I actually locked up slightly, or my hands got very stiff and tense towards the end, so it could have possibly been slightly faster, but it's 1.65 and I can't complain about counting 1, so yeah. Anyways, that about wraps it up for this video, and yeah, I don't know when the next 2x2 reconstructions video will be. I don't know if I'll straight away do some when I get back from a holiday, but whichever way, yeah, that about wraps it up for this video, and hope you learned, hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video, whenever that will be. Most likely it will be solves from the competitions that I'm going to, but yeah, so yeah, see you in the next video.